Brian and Aiden from Garage Ball. You said hi already, right? Say hi again.
Hi.
There we go. Much better. Okay, so this is Transformers Rescue Academy. So let's open this up and see everything that we get inside. Oh my goodness. Look at all these. Okay, so it's got a lot of twist ties in the back. And a lot of, oh, okay, that's one. That's two. Wait, that's three. So let's see how these transform. Oh, okay. So this is how this one works. That opens up like that. And then you close it up just like that. Okay, okay. There you go. Bring me another one. So that's the airplane part.
No.
And then we transform into the bot part. So let's see that again. So basically, it looks like this. We push the head down, push the arms down, and then his head pops out. Okay, how about the orange one? Okay, so this one, so like a truck. Go, open it up like that, and then his head pops up like that. Okay. How about? Wow. Okay, let's wait. Let me show everybody. So truck goes. So this one kind of opens up like this. The head pops up. Then you tilt it forward. Then you got his legs. So very cool. Then to transform it back down, you kind of push forward on it. Then you're pushing the wheels together and his head down at the same time. So there you go. Anyway, here, let's do our closing. Bring them all to me.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye, buddy.
Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there. Okay, now you can say bye.
Bye.